Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Hi. If you don't know me, I'm Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencers on YouTube. I do makeup videos, product reviews, DIY kind of stuff, or whatever I can think of which related to beauty or makeup, health, fitness, or anything relevant which you probably find helpful. So today I'm actually going to share with you guys one of my DIY masks which I've been using for nearly a couple of weeks. So we're gonna see, I'm just going to share what I'm doing with it, why I'm using it, and all that jazz. So before we get into the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And if you're already subscribed and haven't clicked the notification bell, please do, otherwise you won't know when this new content is on my channel. So yeah, notification bell is kind of like important. Didn't used to be, but apparently now it is. So do click it if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And let's just get into the video now. Love you. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you all the mask I'm absolutely loving, and it's so easy, and most likely you will find the ingredients for this mask in your kitchen pantry, so you don't even have to go and spend any money. And believe me, I have been using this for a couple of weeks and I have noticed a huge difference in my skin. So what happened with me was, like, towards the end of December, starting of January, it's been super duper cold in Canada, like going up to -50 kind of temperature. And what happened with that is my skin went so dry, and I had a lot of eczema flared up right below my lip. It was all over my chin. It kind of got better now, but it left a lot of marks, and my skin still feels really dry. So even after taking my shower, I have to apply something like immediately, otherwise I start feeling the dryness and the tightness on my face. But since I start using this mask, I did notice a lot of difference. So this particular mask is matcha and egg white mask, matcha powder. So if you don't know matcha powder, it's I'm sure you all know, everybody goes to Starbucks and everybody must have tried at least once the matcha latte. So I absolutely love matcha powder. I love drinking the matcha tea. I prefer it with more water than milk, but I love this product. We got this one from Costco. This is actually an organic powder, which I don't know how much it will taste difference than the normal powder, but I notice whenever I make the matcha tea at home with this, it tastes slightly better and more like tastier than what I buy from Starbucks. So I really like this brand. I will link I'll mention the whole brand and the whole details in the description box below anyway. So this is the one I'm using for my face as well, and you just need an egg, which I'm sure everybody will have it. So what you need to do is, I have my clear bowl right here. What you need to do is you need to add 1 scoop of matcha powder and 1 egg white to go with the mask, and I'm just going to apply straight on my face. This mask also helps with skin firming and anti-aging, so it's not only just for dry skin. That's the reason I'm really loving this mask, because by using just 2 ingredients, I'm actually like fighting 3 issues on my skin. And because I'm having eczema, I can't use a lot of my normal skincare right now, because my skin is so sensitive. I have to switch everything pretty much to my creams just specially made for eczema skin. So I am changing a lot of items. I'm going more organic kind of thing, more natural, so I don't mess up my skin even more. So trying not to do that. I really like using this mask on my neck as well, because as a woman we tend to see our aging signs first on our neck as well. So it's always best, whatever you're doing on your face, do it on your neck too. So never ever neglect your neck area, because once you see the sign of aging on your body itself, the first sign will be on the neck. So always make sure whatever you're doing on your face, just take it on your neck too. I'm keeping the bowl very close to me because my liquid is like, my mask is slightly liquidy, because if I would have done this in a blender, it would have been formed into like a mousse kind of thing, but it's a bit liquidy today, which is fine, it's not a big problem. So I'm gonna use that, and that's about it. And now I'm just going to leave this mask on until it's totally dry. Okay, pretty good. So we're just gonna wait for it for the mask to be totally dry. You will start feeling the tightness once this mask will start drying because of the egg whites. And I will highly recommend you to not to talk or smile while you have this mask on, because once the process of drying will start, it will start making that tightness to your face, and if you're talking and everything, most likely that's where you actually occur more lines, more fine lines. So I'm just gonna shut up for a minute for the time my mask is drying, and I'll be back very shortly. Mask is totally dry. It's so dry that I can feel the tightness. So I'm just going to wash this off, and then I'll show you the after thing. I just took my shower. Whenever I have this kind of mask on, I like to just wash it in the shower so I can just totally remove it, because it's so important for it to come off completely and not having any residue in your hair and everything. Because of the egg white, it will make your hair go really harder for the morning or by the time you wake up. So I just wanted to make sure I just wash it properly, so I did it in my shower. So as you can see, this is my skin. No skin filters, no camera filters, nothing. This is actually my skin. And as I said, I had a lot of eczema in past few weeks, so my skin has a lot of dark spots around here right now, like a lot of pigmentation. That's because of eczema, and I have to wait for the eczema to be completely gone before I can treat the pigmentation. But yeah, I'm quite happy with my skin right now, not too bad. Just did my kind of like a quick night care skincare routine, which I'll be filming for you guys very soon as well, once my skin is slightly eczema, like my skin is eczema free kind of thing. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of quick DIY tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up or just leave your comments in the section below, and I'm happy to do these kind of videos more for you. And I'm probably thinking about doing kind of like a tip of the week, and it could be anything, makeup, DIY, something. This could be the tip of the week, let's say. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.